Hey guys, it's your girl Jenea, and I hope you are having a great day. And today we are going to open the package. Open a package. Okay,
so I'm so excited because I know what it is. So we're about to open it. You know, I always forget the scissors every time I'm about to do a video for opening the package.
Oh snap. Okay. I ordered this beauty. I am so excited because one, I want my skin to stay like this forever. Okay? Well, not like this. I want it to clear up some more. But I want to have great skin. So if you want to have great skin, you have to take care of your skin. You can't just put on hot water on your face and you be okay. No, you need to get you one of these and a good cleanser. And I should do a review on cleansers too, because I went to school for it and everything as an esthetician. Anyway, so yeah, so you have to
have great skin, okay? Have great skin. Say it with me. Have great skin. Say it with me. Have great skin. Have great skin. Have great skin.
No, just kidding. But seriously, I need you to be serious about your skin. If you take care of it now while you're young, you will be so proud of yourself when you get older. Okay? Like, get facials, get good products for your skin so you can stay youthful looking. People be like, I won't have to worry about that. My skin fine right now. I'll work on it when I start getting them wrinkles and stuff. No, if you work on it now, you won't have to worry about it later.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So you open it. Oh my gosh. Look, you guys. So cute. I picked pink because I love pink, y'all. I love pink, yellow. I like bright colors, you guys. So this is how it looks. Sorry. I'm trying to open it. Shoot. Felt that in my back. Okay. Okay, it looks like I have to have 4 batteries. So I have to get 4 AA batteries. 4 to work.
I'm trying to figure out how to put this thing on. Okay. Oh, like that. And then you...
Ooh, it feels so good. It tickles a little too. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. And then it comes with this little book. Where I got mine from, well, I got it from Vanity Planet, but I only paid $30 for it. I typed in discount Vanity Planet and I think in Google, and it sent me to the $30 one, and I got the $30 one. I was not about to spend no $129 on no brush. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? I love you guys. Bye.